How to set up Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the settings of your iPhone and scroll down over here till you find this option of Face ID and passcode. Now it would require you to enter your passcode. Simply enter it. After that, you would get the option to set up the Face ID. Since I have already set up, that's why everything is turned on. I can set up an alternative appearance if I want to. So just simply click on the setup option and it would ask you to position your head in circular motion. Simply move your head in circular motion and you would be able to set it up quite easily. And after that, you can just simply use the option whether you want to set up for the mask as well if you use mask quite often. By the way, you can set up for the Face ID with mask even later after setting up without mask. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.